of Leetcode, problem number 48. Name is rotate image. Let's see the description of the problem. You are given an n into n 2D matrix representing an image. Rotate the image by 90 degrees clockwise. You have to rotate the image in place, that is main, which means we have to modify the input 2D matrix directly. Do not allocate another 2D matrix and do the rotation. Means we can't use any kind of extra space or extra matrix. That whatever the matrix is given to us, we have to apply our algorithm on that matrix itself and solve it. So what's the problem is saying that we will given an n into n square matrix, we need to rotate in a clockwise direction, means this direction. So if you see that 1, 2, 3 is the row that become column, the last column, the first row become last column, second row become second column, and last row become last column. Okay, means if we rotate that matrix in the 90 degree direction. So if you observe, one thing is there, that row become column but in a reverse direction. So two statement I given here, row become column or column become row but in reverse order. So the algorithm to solve the problem will be interchange rows and column. That means we need to get the transpose of the matrix, right? So if we do the transpose of the matrix, what will become? It will become 1, 4, 7. It will become, that first row will become 1, 4, 7. And 2, 3 will come here. 2, 5, 8 will become, this row will become second column. 3, 6, 9, that row will become last column, right? So let me show it here. That first I have given 1, 2, 3. Then I have given 4, 5, 6. Then I have given 7, 8, 9. Okay. So if I replace the matrix, means interchange the rows and column, what will become? First row will be 1, 4, 7. Second row would be 2, 5, 8. And the third row will become 3, 6, 9. Right? So now this rows to column interchange done. So now if I reverse each of the row, I will get the desired output. Okay. So first is 1, 4, 7. That will become 7, 4, 1. Then it will become 8, 5, 2. And this will become 9, 6, 3. Right? Two step, get the transpose, then reverse each row. Right? So let's implement it in code. First I will take a variable I is equal to 0, which is the row number. Okay, we'll start from the 0th row. We'll get the row and column size that we'll get from this matrix dot count, and then we'll run a while loop, and what it is saying that I is less than n. Okay, from each row I will go to the last row, means okay, from 0th row to the last row, and that point of time what we will do, we will replace the each column value, means each row value with the column value. Okay, so now see, now I is equal to 0, and if I take a variable j, from where the j will start, j will not required to start from 0, because 1, 1 it will not means need to replace, right? Because it will same. J will start from the next element 2, I plus 1. Okay, means the next column, and we will swap the 2 comma 4. Then we go to j 3 3 comma 7. Okay, then we come to here I 1 I1, and that point of time this already swap is done. We'll go to the next, j is equal to I plus 1 5 5. This is 2 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1, so it will be same, no need to replace. Then we'll replace 6 and 8, then swap, then 9 will be remain in its place, right? So j is equal to I plus 1. Then while, as I mentioned, that I will go one by one, jth column, j less than n, then do the swapping of ij with ji. So variable temp is equal to what it is, matrix, because we can't take any extra matrix, we need to do it in one space complexity, we need to solve on that matrix itself. So matrix I comma j, sorry, okay, and matrix I comma j will be equal to j comma I. Okay, and matrix j comma I will be temp. Then I will increment my jth pointer, okay, ji plus 1. Then I will increment the row. So what it is doing, it is doing the transpose of the matrix. Okay, means row and column interchanges have been done. Next is reverse each row. The reversal of the each row will be done. How will you do that? It's a simple that we will go each row and then reverse each column element. So again I reinitialize I is equal to 0. Then I will iterate each row. It's a simple arrow reversal algorithm where the I value will be fixed. Okay, that L from the left side means that first row element and the last row element I will take will be 0, and the last column element, row element will be, means this is the same row, this is the first element of that row and this is the last element of the row, n minus 1, and while L is less than R, okay, we will traverse from this direction, R's will traverse from this direction, okay, while L is less than R. First 1 and 7 replace, and when it come to 4, this 4 no need to replace, okay. So now what we will do, that variable we will take temp and matrix will take, so it is the same row, we will not change it, we'll just go to the column value, that is L, right? And matrix I comma L I comma R is equal to matrix I comma R yeah, is equal to temp. Okay, so this reversal has been done, so means swapping has been done, and L will be plus equals to 1 and R will be minus equals to 1. So the first row's reverse has been done. So next I will go to the I plus equal to 1, right, means to the next row. So as this matrix we are doing in place change, so no need to return any kind of matrix output, okay. So this part is making the get the transpose of the matrix, and this part is getting the reverse of each row, okay. So now let me to run this. If we run this, oh, variable, sorry, it's a compilation error, variable, okay, because I have not defined the variable. Okay, no problem. Yeah, it's accepted. I will submit this. Yeah, it passed all test cases. Okay, so this is the solution. So what are the complexity is n into n, because I am traversing each element. What is the n? N is the row size. Okay, means it is covering the whole all the matrix element. That's why n into n. But space complexity is O1 because we take a simple extra variable temp, but not any extra 2D matrix. Okay, so if you like this video, please press the like button, and if you want to get this kind of videos in future, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.